I just bought this DJI Mini 3 Pro drone the other day, and I've been playing around with it inside, and this would be my very first takeoff and landing. At least that's what I'm aiming for. So I'm going to unfold the wings and turn on the drone, turn on the controller, and from what I understand, I should be able to use the auto flight option and have it automatically take off and land. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so you unfold these wings like this. The other ones lift up. There you go. Yeah, actually pretty easy. Okay, and then we remove this for the camera. There we go. And I'm using just a little cushion as a landing pad for now. So let's place this here and turn it on. I think it's one short press, one long press. There we go. Well, cool. Little LEDs going off. Now I'm going to turn on my controller. Okay, so let's turn on the controller. Wait for it to boot up. It's very much so like a gaming joystick. So if you've played any PlayStation or Xbox or whatever, you should get the hang of the feeling of it at least. Okay. I've charged everything before I came out, of course. Takeoff permitted. That was quick. Oh wow, I guess I'm in a good location because I have 20 satellites right after I booted up. But let's try now for my first takeoff. I'm going to try the auto fly option again. Okay, so this is the auto flight option, and oh wow, oh, okay, home point has been updated. So this left joystick to go up is to go up. Wow, very smooth, very nice. How far am I now? Whoa, this is 20 meters. Very nice. So this is for the camera. Let's look in my backyard. Oh yeah. Let's move this way. Oh wow, this is very cool in terms of how smooth it is. There's my roof, and I have a little pool. There's my pool in the backyard. Let's see, let's turn the camera down. Look at my roof. I want to see if I'm missing any shingles. We get terrible winters in Canada. Oh wow, good. And this is zoom, I guess. Whoa, cool, cool, very nice. Well, I'm going to try to land now. Okay, so I'm going to try to land now. I'm not using the auto land. I think from what I've read, there are some sensors. So I'm going to try to pilot it to my little mat. I got to come back a bit, come back, come lower. Whoa, it's very easy to pilot. You'd be surprised. It's almost wow. Good.